Hi, I'm Rebekah and this is Reese, and we are OneShare members in California. Yeah, so we heard about OneShare Health through another family friend that we were, my husband and I both work from home, so we needed some health care options. So we were looking at some more traditional options, and then we were recommended to research kind of like a Christian health sharing idea concept. We came across OneShare and did some research on that. My husband did a lot of research and then decided to go with that option. It was something we had never heard of before, so it was really kind of a curious concept. But once we started getting into it, we liked having that like faith-based system that we could look into that was really having our interest at heart. And we knew that we needed something that was more affordable because we were going to be paying primarily out of pocket. So that was really attractive to us as well. I would definitely recommend OneShare to my friends. Definitely for families who are looking for something that's affordable, family plans. I think that this is definitely a great way to go. Especially we've been really fortunate and haven't had a lot of health issues, but this has just been really easy, in getting my son into pediatric appointments or finding a dentist or just some of those easy things, just being able to look at covered providers, make the appointments ourselves. And just kind of navigate the system. It's been a really smooth process in that way, especially for what our needs have been. Again, I think to emphasize the follow-up, the one-on-one relationship building that our care representative gave us, who constantly followed up with us, even a call the next day, just wanted to make sure you got the information. Did you have any follow-up questions? Like that just goes a long way with us, with the customer service and making sure we felt that our needs were met. So I think those have been really huge points for us in the service and the ministry. I know researching this can be overwhelming and finding options, and so being able to have someone kind of hold your hand through that process is awesome. It kind of puts a peace of mind to it and helps you feel like you're being looked out for as well. Because I know I didn't know anything about different coverage options, sharing plans, any of that stuff. And so it was a little overwhelming at first to begin that research. Is this the right thing for our family? Does this make sense? Is this going to be affordable? But just knowing that they're here to help, the customer service team is on it. They're looking out for you as well. And it's not just like sign them up for the most expensive plan. It really was what met our family's needs best, was really important, and we really appreciated that.